of the Year award. This category aims to recognise the commitment made by young volunteers to their chosen sport. And over to you, Non, once again for the nominees.
Okay, so category Young Volunteer, Sponsor, Always Aim High Events. I like that. Nominees: Charlotte Williams, Hockey; Conwy Williams, Multi-Sports; Anna Hollingman, Climbing.
Areas High School student Charlotte Williams has been volunteering at Conwy Bay Hockey Club for the past 3 years and is one of Hockey Wales' ambassadors. She gets involved in a number of roles for the club, including coaching the 4 to 6 year olds, maintaining the club membership register, organising the second team for the season. Away from club duties, Charlotte has helped to manage the North Wales girls team, helped to coach and manage the school team, and is the nominated photographer for the over 45s men's team. She's attended numerous Hockey Wales camps and club events in her hockey ambassador role. Charlotte credits her volunteering with increasing her confidence and communication skills, and highlighted the importance of being a suitable role model for the younger players. Ladies and gentlemen, Charlotte Williams. Conwy Williams has volunteered on the Healthy Image project since December 2012. The project provides a range of sporting opportunities through the Conwy Youth Service, many of which would not take place without the commitment and dedication that Conwy has for the project. He's undertaken training, including child protection, first aid and several coaching courses. In May 2015, Conwy was nominated for and won the National Street Games Volunteer Award, Volunteer of the Year for Wales. The volunteer group he works with was highly commended at the annual WCVA Awards. Conwy has also received a Street Games Local Hero Award, which is awarded to volunteers who go above and beyond to make a positive difference to their communities. Ladies and gentlemen, Conwy Williams.